As we have this data by facility, it might be useful to actually add the facilities to the map. In order to do this, we'll close the thematic layer and we'll add in a facility layer. We'll click on Facility Layer, followed by Edit Layer. In this case, we have the organization units grouped together. It will give us a prompt to select the organization unit group set. In this example, we've separated the organization units based on their ownership, their type, and their location, whether or not they're urban or rural. So if we select the type group set, this will separate the facilities based on their classification type on the map itself. We will discuss how to define these organization unit groups in other sessions. Once we've selected our organization unit group, we then select the level of the organization unit hierarchy. In this case, we've selected type as our organization unit group. This only applies to our facilities. This is the only level in which we actually have facility information. In this case, we can't add facility layers to the country, region, or district because we do not have facilities at that level. Lastly, we have the Options tab, where we can add the names of the facilities and add a circular area for the radius. Before we do that, let's update the map to see what effect the facility layer has. You can see that when I update the map, the facilities are added to the map. These are separated by type based on the classifications that have been defined within DHIS2. As mentioned, how to define these classifications will be discussed in later sessions. We could go back and edit the layer to make the high and low color size appear a bit larger, or we could remove the facilities from this particular map so we could see the data once again. If we zoom in, we can start to see the separation of this data a little bit better, as well as the facilities and their type. If we hover over the facility, it will give us the name of the particular facility. Let's remove this layer and continue on. We can temporarily remove this layer by using the Layer Stack option. We'll just deselect the facility layer. Let's zoom back out. We can actually use this other magnifying glass when we're zoomed in to zoom back to our content. This will allow us to zoom back out to the full map very quickly.